Just recently I went to Museum of Nature and I saw this. It says this phytoplankton is considered one of the most beautiful organisms in Arctic seas. It has a distinctive skeleton with protruding spines and several disc-shaped chloroplasts that convert sunlight into food. Really, what do you mean by the most beautiful organism? How do you define the phytoplankton beauty? Why this one is not the most beautiful one? Or what about this one? Why this one is not beautiful? I don't know. What do you think, guys? Is it beautiful? What's your favorite organism?